Hello everyone, this is Dheeraj, the trainer of English, and today we are going to release a great video recording class. In today, a student will anchor in the classroom and he will do very good anchoring. So I would like to call, please come on stage, Satyam Kumar as an anchor.
Good morning everyone, I am Satyam Nath in 10th standard now, and I am in the habitant of Sorampur Dulhani Bazar Patna, but my residence address is Hanuman Nagar in Kankar Bagh, and I complete my primary education in St. Lawrence Academy, and after that I complete my secondary education in Mother Teresa English School, and now I am the present time in the high education, which is a school. The name of the school is SDV Public School, which is situated in the Kurthal of Patna. And today is the video recording class in BR Group Genius Campus, which is organized by Dheeraj Kumar, and who is the owner of this institute. And so the first candidate I would like to come on the stage and say some topics, whose name is Shruti Kumari.
Hello everyone, I am Shruti Kumari, inhabitant of Bihar. I am doing the standard 10th from BR Group Genius Campus. Today is our video recording class. Today my topic is not related to any English subject, science subject. Today my topic is story of a small boy. There was a king who ruled over the kingdom. He was a very great king. He loves her throne very much, and he always cared for her subject. Also their subject is loved her king, but the king have no any child. He always think, after me, who was the king of our kingdom. After thinking all that things, after some times in one day he was sitting with her ministers. The king tell that I have no child who was the next king of our kingdoms. They all decided, we organized a contest. In this contest, all small child participated in this contest. The magister and king give them seeds and grow a plant. After announcing this contest, all the small child comes in the kingdom of king, taking seeds, and they go at home. They give him 1 year for the growing the plant, and all child was happy because they think that I am the next king and I am the next king. But there was a small child who also taken a seed. After 6 months, all the seeds of boys is grown, but the seed of a small boy who was very happy to becoming the king, their plant is not grown. He think that I am not planting my plant well, because my plant is not be growing, but he trying very much to grow the plant. After some days, he saw that her friend plants is very good, and they feel some jealousy, but he never discourage. He always encourage, and her mother and father also encourage him for this. After 1 year, all the childs gone in the kingdom of king, and they sow our plant. The king saw all the plant of the child. After seeing all the plants of the child, he saw the small boy who was who was standing with very sadness, and he asked him, why are you sad and where is your plant? There is only a pot, there is no any plant is grown. The boy said that the seeds which you give me, it is a bad seed which is not grown. The king said, when the seed is not grown, you can buy another seed, and you can also buy the another plant. The child said him, it is not good, it is a cheating to my kingdom and king. After listening the words of a small child, the king gone and sit on her throne, and her minister announced that the next king was the small child who was standing with very sadness. The child was very shocked. He think that how can I become a king, next king, because my plant is not grown. Then the king said that the seed which I give to you, it is a boiled seed which is never be grown, and all the child cheated me, but the small child, he tell me truth. The seed is very bad. According to this story, our conclusion is that honesty is the best policy. Thank you.
So the Shruti Kumari is also speaking well, and he tell us about honesty is the best policy by the indirect method of a story. In a story, he tell us about that a king who has no the son, and the king think that who become the next king and care of the kingdom, and then he think about a boy, and after that he check the boy by his mind, and that.
Good morning everyone, my name is Riya Kumari. Today's video recording class, and this topic is money. Money is very necessary for our life. Without money there is not successful life. Money is very useful and powerful. Due to money we can all satisfied people. Every money used for every place, and every people uses for money to buy different types of things. Education is depend on money. Money is useful. Money is very helpful. Thank you.
So the Riya Kumari come to speak on the money, but he don't do better, and on the topic of money.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nikki Kumari. Today's video recording class, this topic is water. Water is very important in our life. He is very useful, like cleaning, washing, and water is very important in our life. Water is drink is not better than life. Some people use in normal water, and some people use in Bisleri water. Day by day water is very dirty. People drink is there many types of disease. Drink water is many types of disease. So thank you.
So the Nikki Kumari speak on water. He speak less time, but he speak better. And we know that water is a natural resource which provide us by the nature, and the 71% of our earth is covered with water, and by this the earth is known as blue planet. And in the 71% of water, the 70% of the 3% of water is fresh water, and in 3% the 70% of water is ice, is ice sheet, and 30% of water is for our use. Water is used at multi-purpose, for domestic purpose, industrial purpose, to generating the hydroelectricity, and etc. So the next candidate I would like to call Sujit Kumar.
Please concentrate.
Hello my dear viewers, this is Sujit Kumar and today is video recording class. Now I am present of you, front of you. I am from Bihar. Now I am belongs to BR Group Genius Campus with Dheeraj Kumar sir. Thank you so much Dheeraj Kumar sir. You give me the opportunity to speak here something. I have a question my dear viewers. You are listen music. When you are listen music, so write in the comment section why are you listen music, and let's come on to my topic. Today's my topic is Today's my topic is music. Music is the most important thing in our life because when we can do any work and then listen music, so we can do work properly and long time we can do the work. And when we are depressed, so when we listen music, so our depression is also invisible. And I think music has some powers to it is good for our mind also. There are so many languages in available, the many songs like Hindi, English, Punjabi, Marathi, etc. So my favorite song is Rabta. What is your favorite song my dear viewers? Let's come on the many singers are also famous from singing. As you know about Arjit Singh, Neha Kakkar, Tony Kakkar, Juven Nautiyal, etc. It is a very good singer, and music is also impact us. So when you listen music 10 to 15 minutes every day, so your day is also good. Thank you so much.
So the turn of Sujit Kumar get in, and Sujit Kumar speak very well, and he have a well confident students who has speak on the music. And we know that music is a very important in our life when you are depressed or we have some tension and we have some problem, and when we listen the music, we get entire free from the depression. Music give us some relaxation for not for all time, for some time. So the next I would like to call Abhiraj Kumar.
Hello, my name is Abhiraj Sharma. First of all, I like to say thankful for you, the person who watching this video. I am from in the inhabitants of Mohawk, and my study belong to BR Group Genius Campus, and the director of BR Group Genius Campus is Dheeraj Kumar, who is the most of all teacher that teaches us English, and he also teaches us how to speak English, and there are many types of things that he teaches, like interview, this type of things. And today the video recording class, in this class the anchor gave me an opportunity to say about something, my topic. And today my topic is anxiety. As you know that this video is recording, and this if I stand in the front of camera, then I have also in the cause of the anxiety. Anxiety is the feeling in which you feel weakness, and in anxiety, when you say something about another in the front of the other person, then your body will be shaking. You are sweating, threading, and this type of thing are causing anxiety. There are many types of anxiety, like the fears of the anxiety, happiness of the anxiety, thirsty of the anxiety, and sweating of the anxiety. These types of anxiety are the very bad. If the anxiety in you, then you are very in a bad situation, because anxiety comes from when you are a child, and if you are the very confident, then after some time you do a very wrong thing. And as we said that the person who press on you, because you are you know you are good, but person press on you, you are bad. Like as you sit in a as we see that in a family member, you are in a good study, you are a very well, and your family say you are a very dull, and this type of thing for they think your confidence level will be up and you do better. But in this situation, you think other things, and then then these types of the problem are coming. Like if you talk about the other time your family, then you think of fear in your body, what the parents said to me. And there are many types of things, like as we said that in a school the teacher also said the student do not do any wrong thing, but also teachers say him. These type of things that make the person very weak, and there are many types of things that make people get anxiety in this body. There are many types of the process. Then you lost your anxiety, like a physical process, natural process, and a medical process. As we discuss about some types of the process to less your anxiety. Like as we come from a physical type, as you know that our body are made with many types. In a physical type, then this anxiety is come with sweating. When you face any problem, then your body will be sweating. Like you see any danger things, you see which things that not occurs for you, then your body will be sweating that time. Then this is the time of anxiety. When you think this time I am a cold person, my body will be cold, and my blood pressure will be normal, react with normal pumped by my heart, then your body can't be sweating this time. And this is the physical types of the process that's caused on the anxiety. As we talk on a natural process that the anxiety will be go. As you take the daily exercise, jogging, these types of things makes me less than with anxiety. And that things are usually for us, like when we relax in a yoga time, like we take inhale faster and outhale faster, then your breathing and repeatedly anxiety will be gone out. As we running so fast, then in this situation your sweating will be also less, because as you know that the sweating, when we work out too hard, then the sweating will come. And in this situation also the body react, your sweating will be gone very fastly, and other person, then your sweating will become. As we talk about the medical process, there are many types of medical process are coming that's less your the anxiety. In a market there are many types of medicines are come, and a physical and a theoretical. That's the person who go with a doctor, and he treatment with like a physicals, like as you say that they slept you and they ask many types of questions, then you feel relaxed, and these types of things you feel better. And some sympathetic of the anxiety, like feeling, thirsting, and many types. That's as we call that I am speaking in the front of the camera, then I also feel I am thirsty, but I can control my thirsty, and I try to speak very well. These types of how this is controlling our the anxiety. And my conclusion on a last time that we should control our anxiety. And also I say that we can't use medicine, because he also make some chemical things in our body. That's also in a medical process. Sometimes the anxiety will be gone, and sometimes the anxiety will be also the high. As you see that the 1%, I shall only talk the 1% that who faces with the anxiety. As you know that the singer of the Neha Kakkar, he was a very childhood, then he gone in a many times in a singing competition, but he also the causes of anxiety, he can't just sing. Now as we see that times he become a very famous singer, and also she control her the anxiety. Then this type of thing also we control, and we should take physical and natural thing for control our anxiety. Thank you.
So the term of Abhiraj Kumar is get end, and Abhiraj Kumar speak on the anxiety. But Abhiraj Kumar has a problem. He speak very fastly. He had to speak easily, and and we talk about anxiety. Anxiety is the feelings of humans or also the animals, when sometimes anxiety is good or sometimes anxiety is bad. The good of the anxiety is that when you feeling from entirely at by freshing your mind, then your anxiety becomes good, and opposed to it your anxiety becomes bad. But according to my sentiment, none of the people use medicine to get relaxed from the anxiety. Many of the people get relaxed from anxiety by yoga or meditation, etc. And now the next I would like to call Vishal Kumar.
Please clap and clap.
Morning everyone, my name is Vishal Raj. Today video recording class, my topic government job. Government job is a popular job and depends on your achievement. Different types of jobs, lower and level and higher level. Government job is all people achieving, and good job and secure job, government job. Many types of government job: IAS, IPS, and etc. Government job is hard working, all people, and good time 8 and 10 o'clock. Many types of government job: teacher, IAS, IPS, and etc. Thank you.
Aditya Kumar, get ready. Vishal Kumar tell us about government job. Government job is the job which provided by the government and which is the secure job and have the enough salary to sustain the life. And we talk the employment of government job. There is more employment of a government job, but at the present time or before some time our government change all the policy, all the government most of the government jobs were changed on the contract and by this reason no more people want to do this and more people want to start their business. And Vishal Bhaiya is also speaking better and he have to try better next time. So next, who is me? So my term is become, and my topic for today is nationalism in India and some point about nationalism in India. The first point is that how World War I helped in the growth of national movements. The First World War helps in the growth of national movements are that all the taxes were increased to fulfillment the expenditure of the war, and firstly the income tax were introduced in India, and more of the youths are forced by the Britishers to join the army. And there is a disease whose name is epidemic, and by the epidemic many women, men and the children were died and the cost of and the price of articles were increased. And now we come to the satyagraha. And the satyagraha is a non-violence, truthful and peaceful act which was started by Mahatma Gandhi in 1917. Firstly, in 1917, Satyagraha was organized by Mahatma Gandhi in in Champaran district of Bihar to against the indigo plantation. And after that, in 1918, it next was also organized by Mahatma Gandhi to remove the taxes of farmer. And after that, last satyagraha was organized in Khera in Ahmedabad of Gujarat in the favor of mill cotton worker. And after that, the Rowlatt Act is become in 1919. Rowlatt Act, if anyone oppose the Rowlatt Act, so without any judicial reviews and without any reason, he have to sent in jail for 2 years. And for that the satyagraha was done to oppose and completed to Rowlatt Act. And after that, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre will happen in December of 1919 in Jallianwala Bagh massacre. If more than two people meet at a group or meet at a place, then he should be punished. And this information was only revealed to the urban area residents, not the rural area residents. And on the same day on 13th December, 13th April, Baisakhi was celebrated in Jallianwala Bagh, and all the people meet together, and this is known by the General Dyer, and who sent the British Army and closed the gate and open fire to the participant who is in the Jallianwala Bagh, and by this many women, men and children were died. And now. And after that, in 1920, the non-cooperation movement were started by Mahatma Gandhi against the British government, and in this all of the lawyer and advocate left the court, and the teacher don't go the school for teaching, and many government employers left the government, and by this the British government get a big loss. And after that a new movements were started whose name is Guerrilla movement. Guerrilla movement is a movement of tribal community, whose and the leader and the young personality whose name is Allu Sitaraman Razu, who said that we are the soul of the God, and we have the power to survive from the bullet. And after that, a new movement were started by Mahatma Gandhi, whose name is Swaraj Plantation. In Swaraj Plantation, there is a rumors increased between the workers that Mahatma Gandhi came and leave us from the British and give us some give us some land for the cultivation, but it's not right. Swaraj plantation is also started by Mahatma Gandhi, but Mahatma Gandhi what that it was done by the non-violence, and at a time the worker who is inside the power of a Britishers plan to run away. And when he run away from the place where they work, then the army of Britisher arrest him and beat very hardly. That's all for the time, and next time I would say after what's the revolution after that. Thanks, that's all.
Dear viewers, you are listening Satyam Nath. Satyam Nath spoke about nationalism in India. We all know that, dear viewers, that nationalism came from Europe. And first of all, most of the countries were nationalized in Europe, and the idea came from there in India. Most of the great men started and influenced the people, and such type ideas were spreaded in all over the country, and this idea came in the mind of every Indian. There are many names to spread the nationalism in India, but some of the names are very important, like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh. There were many names who create some great ideas in our country, and then our country was on the way to become free. There are many points he spoke. There are many things he told us which we knew or don't knew. So thank you so much, Satyam, that you spoke like this, and I am proud of you. You are a GM of my class. You are eloquent speaker. I am speechless about you. Really, I am very happy. And now, today, you have adapted me as you have spoken English. Great. I'm very happy, but I can't give award to you. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to call a new student who is eager to speak, wants to learn, wants to speak English, and I'm very happy that he has joined our classroom, and definitely within 2 months he'll be the greatest speaker. I would like to call, please come on stage, Aditya Raj. Please come on stage.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Aditya Raj. I belong to Patna Genius Campus. Now I am talking about Satyagraha movement. It was truthful non-violence movement. It was started by Mahatma Gandhi. In 1917, Satyagraha movement was started by Champaran district of Bihar. In 1918, Satyagraha movement started by Khera district of Gujarat, why the favor of taxes of removal of taxes. In 1918, Satyagraha movement was started by Ahmedabad in the favor of cotton mill workers. Now I am talking about unification of Italy. Unification of Italy divided into many states. There was most powerful was Sardinia. The credit for unification of Italy goes to credit for unification of Italy, where the chief minister of Italy is Cantacuzene, or produced two nationalists. His name was Magnese and Garibaldi. Magnese was created by secret society in young Italy, and Garibaldi was his land of Sicily in the provision of organization of Thanks.
So so it's the first class of Aditya Kumar, and who is the very best and intelligent student, because I know him very well, and he tell us about a topic of history, and a topic of history whose name is Satyagraha movement and unification of Germany or Italy. And now the next I would like to call Manita Kumari.
Good morning everyone, my name is Manita Kumari. Today is video recording class. This topic TV is an electronic machine. He was making Abraham Lincoln. He is a best scientist. TV is entertainment. All people entertainment every day for TV. There are many types of TV. MITV, Sony, LCD, LG, and everything. TV used movie, song, video, and study, cooking, and everything. TV is good and bad. There are many types of channel. Dangal, Star Utsav, G Bihar Jharkhand, and everything news channel. Omen TV is good and bad. Omen is everyday continuous serial. Some people watching TV, but some people is not watching TV. Student watching study channel, Omen watching serial channel, and men's watching news channel. All people use different channels. Thank you.
So class and as well as chance ended end of Manita Kumari, and Manita Kumari is speaking on TV, means television. Television is the best for entertainment. By television, any person who don't entertain, then he got entertainment, and by the television many more information that you got, and television is best for children and older person who have no any work and only live to their house. And I don't speak more on about television, and today video recording class is going to end, and all the students speak well and peacefully. So meet again next time in next class. Thanks. So subscribe our channel, like the video, and if you like the video, then you share the video to your friends. Thanks. That's all.